Students, this is class number 64. So as usual, let us solve more questions on that induction. Here one more formula, one more result given. You prove this by using induction. You know the procedure very well. So let us follow the procedure steps. Let us follow the steps of induction one by one. First you represent that as Pn. Let Pn equals, let Pn equals, you take the given formula as Pn, kottiro formula na Pn anta name ಮಾಡಿ ಮೊದಲು, because it is a result containing n, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ n ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು Pn ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, right? So first n is equal to 1, for n equals 1, n equals 1 means P1, n equals 1 means P1. On left side, you should take only that first term. N equals 1 means first term. Left side ಅಲ್ಲಿ n equals 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ first term ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So what we have in that first term, 1 by 2 into 5. 1 by 2 into 5. You take that. So 1 by 2 into 5. Come to right side. ಬಲಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Put n is equal to 1 in that. n is equal to 1. So 1 by, so n equals 1. 1 into 6, 6 plus 4. 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. It is 1 by 10 equals 1 by 6 plus 4, 10. We proved. So we got LHS is equal to RHS. What does it mean? Adartha ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? So the given formula, the given result is true for n equals 1. The given result is true for n equals 1. True, right? So you write that P1 is true. Therefore, P1 is true. Now assume Pk is true. Assume the result to be true for n is equal to k. n ಗೆ k ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆಯೋದು ನಾನು. Assume Pk is true. Assume Pk is true. So how do you get Pk? Put n is equal to k in that. So 1 by, so 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus so on plus 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 is equal to k by 6k plus 4 as usual. As usual, you go for taking this last term. ಕೊನೆ term ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕೊನೆ term ಹೇಳೋಣ? So tell me the last term. So 1 by, so 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. Right? Put k is equal to k plus 1 in that. So put, so k is equal to k plus 1. So to simplify that, 1 by 3 into k plus 1 minus 1. Replace k by k plus 1. K ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಬರೀರಿ. So into, come to this 3 into k means k plus 1. K plus 1 plus 2. K means k plus 1 plus 2. Simplify this. So 1 by, directly, I write directly 3k plus 3. 3k plus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So how much should be written? So 3k plus 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Yes, tell me 3k plus 3 minus 1. Next one, 3k plus 3 plus 2. Simplify that. 1 by 3k, 3 minus 1, 2. Directly, you write directly. Don't waste time and steps. 3 minus 1, 2. 3k plus 2. So into 3k plus 3 plus 2, 5. You add this quantity on both sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So add. So 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5 on both sides. Let us go for that. So 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus so on. So plus 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 plus, tell me how much is to be added? 1 by 3k plus 2. 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. You add this quantity on right side also. Balagadi ko add madi. So you add that on right side. So right side we have k by 6k plus 2. 6k plus 4. What is common from denominator? So it's a 2. So 2 common tagudi. If I remove 2 as common, 2 3s are 3k plus 2. Correct? What is common here? 2. 2 is common. Plus, still adding is not yet over. Balagade add madilla nanu. Edagade add madidini. Nodi idenne left side ge add madidini. Right side ge add madi. So what should be added? 1 by 3k plus 2 into what? 3k plus 5. On right side we have common. Tell me common on right side. 1 by 3k plus 2 is common. Am I correct? 1 by 3k plus 2 common. So 1 by 3k plus 2 common. Common ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು common? 1 by 3k plus 2. ಉಳಿದಿದೆ k by 2 plus 1 by 3k plus 2 has been removed. Remaining is 1 by 3k plus 5. Find LCM and simplify. LCM ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿ. I write at the top. I don't have space down. I write at the top. Right. So now so right on left side we have so 1 by so 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus so on. It is enough if I write only this last term. Last term but it is understood. Already this term is there only. Right? So 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. So you write this last term is equal to. So tell me common 1 by 3k plus 2. So tell me LCM. What is LCM of these two? 2 into 3k plus 5. So 2 into 3k plus 5. So cross multiply. K into 3k plus 5. I write directly. K into 3k plus 5. 3k plus 5 ಗೆ k multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. k into 3k 3k square. K into 3k 3k square plus k into 5 5k. You cross multiply this side. 2 into 1 2 plus 2. So quadratic equation. I am getting quadratic equation in the numerator. Factorize that. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are plus. Factorize this quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is factorize ಮಾಡಿ. 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 5. You write that 3k square plus 3k plus 2k plus 2. 3k square plus 3k plus 2k plus 2. Tell me common 3k. So remaining is k plus 1. What is common from these two? 2. K plus 1. So tell me factors. The factors are k plus 1 into 3k plus 2. You replace this quadratic equation by this much. Quadratic equation that is so write 1 by 3k plus 2. So into, so in the place of quadratic equation, you write these factors k plus 1 into, so 3k plus 2. So by, so 2 into 3k plus 5. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 get cancels. Finally, we got the answer. So that is finally, so 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus so on plus 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5 is equal to k plus 1 by, so 2 into 3k plus 5. We got the answer. If you put n is equal to, if you put n is equal to k plus 1 in that given formula, we are going to get this one. Idu baruthe nimage. It is nothing but pk plus 1. Pk plus 1 adu. So right. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. n ಗೆ k plus 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಹೇಳಿ? pk plus 1. n ಗೆ k plus 1 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ, so we call that result as what? pk plus 1. Isn't that pk plus 1 true? Yes. pk plus 1 is becoming true. That is what required for our induction. n ಗೆ 1 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, n ಗೆ k ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, n ಗೆ k plus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಸರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. pk ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, pk plus 1 ಟ್ರೂ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ pk plus 1. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ನೌ? ಸೊ pk plus 1 is true. Therefore, by induction, so Pn is true. Pn is true for all positive integers. For all positive integers. So Pn is true for all positive integers. I hope you understood, students. Let us go for solving one more question. Students, let us solve this one more question. You represent that given formula, given result or given statement by Pn. Follow the same steps. I don't want to explain more. Already explained more than enough. Right? You take the result as Pn. So Pn, right? Let Pn. So for n equals 1. For n equals 1. For n equals 1 means I should take first term. First term 1 square equals on right side put n is equal to 1. So 1 into n is 1. 1 2s are 2. So 2 minus 1 1 into n is 1. n is 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 3. So by 3 get cancels. 1 square is 1. 1 1s are 1. So right, we got it. P1 is 2. Therefore, so P1 is true. P1 is true. That means the given formula, the given result is true for n is equal to 1. Next you go for assuming, right? Assume pk is true. pk is true. You assume pk as true. That is n equals, that is for n equals k. pk means, how do you get that pk? Just if I put n equals k, I am going to get pk. So get that pk, write that pk first. So 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 1 plus n equals k. So 2k minus 1 whole square, n equals k into, so 2k minus 1 into, so 2k plus 1 by 3. As usual, you take this last term out. So write 2k minus 1 whole square. ಈ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. In that put k is equal to k plus 1. K is equal to k plus 1. So put k equals k plus 1 in that. So let me see how much you get. So 2 into k means k plus 1. K means k plus 1 minus 1 whole square. Simplify this. So 2k plus 2 minus 1 whole square. So it is 2k 2 minus 1 whole square. 2k 2 minus 1 whole square. You add this quantity on both sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ add ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So write 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square so on plus so 2k minus 1 whole square plus how much is to be added? 2k plus 1 whole square. You add the 2k plus 1 whole square on both sides. So add so 2k plus 1 whole square on both sides. So you add that on left side. So 2k plus 1 whole square is equal to, so k into, so 2k minus 1, so 2k plus 1 by 3 plus, how much is to be added? 2k plus 1 whole square. You add the 2k plus 1 whole square on both sides. Now simplify right side. What is common on right side, students? So 2k plus 1 is common. So 2k plus 1 is common. So remaining. So product of these two. So that is k into 2k minus 1 by 3. 2k plus 1 has been removed. Plus, so 2k plus 1. In that 2k plus 1 whole square, one of the term is being removed. One more term remains there. Find LCM. It is so 2k plus 1 into. So what is LCM of these two terms? What is LCM of these two? 3. So cross multiply 1 into k. 1 into k into this, multiply 2k into k, 2k square, k into 2k, 2k square, plus into minus, k into 1 k, multiply this side, plus 3 into 2k plus 1, 3 2s are 6k, plus 3 1s are 3. Sorry, simplify that, students. We will get quadratic equation. Factorize that and simplify. So I write the remaining terms at the top, right? So now, so 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square, so on. It is enough if I write this last term. Plus, so 2k plus 1 whole square is equal to, so simplify that, 2k plus 1 by 3. So 2k plus 1 by 3 or whatever it is, into, so 2k square, 6k minus 1k plus 5k plus 3, so whole divided by 3. So quadratic equation, factorize that. So we are getting quadratic equation, you know how to factorize. So 2k square plus 5k plus 3. 3 2s are 6. So tell me factors. 3 2s are, so write plus. So it is, so 2k square plus 2k plus 3k plus 3 factorize. 2k plus 3k 5k. What is common from these two? 2k. So 2k common. Then we remaining 2 removed, k removed, k plus 1. 2k is removed, k plus 1. What is common from these two? 3. So tell me remaining k plus 1. Again what is common from both? K plus 1. K plus 1 into, so 2k plus 3. Substitute there. So substitute there. So tell me remaining students, 2k plus 1 into, tell me factors of this. K plus 1 into 2k plus 3. So all divided by 3. So now you write final step. Now I write final step. So the final step is, so 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 1 plus 2k plus 1 whole square is equal to k plus 1. K plus 1 into 2k plus 1. K plus 1 into 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. So by 3. If you have doubt, put n is equal to k plus 1 in that original formula. You are going to get this much. Both on left side and right side you will get this one only. Then what does it mean? This should be result for n is equal to k plus 1. ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ? n is equal to k plus 1. What does it mean? pk plus 1 is 2. Therefore, that implies pk plus 1 is 2. So therefore, by induction, Pn is 2. So for all positive integers, Pn is 2 for all positive integers. I hope you understood, students. So okay.